Hi everyone, my name's Rebecca and I'm here with Direct Candle Supply to answer some frequently asked questions about our coconut soy blend. Variations in color are due to the components that wax has and the slight variations that are in them. However, these variations do not impact the quality of candles and produce the same effects once melted and poured. For example, these are both slabs of our coconut soy blend. However, this one is slightly whiter and this one has a more buttery color. But both function the exact same once they are melted and poured into a final product. Our coconut wax has a white color to it, which makes the resulting color a bit softer than regular paraffin. To correct this, you can add a little bit more dye if needed. Also remember that you cannot use food colorant since wax can only hold oil-based dyes, which can be found on our site. Yes, this wax does work for tarts and melts, since it has a fragrance load between 10 and 12%. However, for best results, we recommend using our melt and tarts wax, which can be found in the description below. Now, for example, I have made these 3 wax melts using paraffin wax, coconut, and then our specifically made melts and tarts wax. Our components are sourced from the United States as well as Latin America. Our soy and additives come from the United States, whereas our coconut and palm come from Latin America, since there's currently no refining process in the US for these. While our wax is not specifically designed for hand treatments, its melting point does allow for it to be used for this. However, it won't peel as easily as formulated spa wax. I hope I've answered any questions that you might have had, but feel free to reach out to directcandlesupply.com if you need any more information.